Hello, this is a short video review of Fellowes Quiet Air Purifier with True HEPA filter. I've had this unit for 4 months. It's been in the bedroom all of that time, and it's been on constantly. I can tell you the first benefit of using this machine was waking up with a clear nose, and my sinuses were clear. I didn't have the stuffy nose that I always had before. So that was awesome. That's the primary benefit for me anyway, for having this air purifier. You might notice it's very quiet. It's on right now. And you'll see on the left there it says air quality. If you've burned something in the kitchen, for example, and it wafts up into the bedroom, that would go to yellow if it was a moderate, and then to red if it was a, if the machine sensed it needed to be filtered aggressively. So it'll really kick up and it'll get loud when the fan goes on. Then it'll automatically come back down again. And that's what it looks like with the when the air quality is sensed as needed aggressive cleaning. Just let a match and that set it off. The red light you see, that just came on today. That means the carbon filter needs to be changed. And on the very right you see the HEPA filter. It's still green. And then you can see the animation and the little movement of the green. That just indicates that it's circulating air. The replacement filters are not that expensive. I just looked online, and the carbon filter was around $13 and the HEPA filter was around $30. So not too bad. As you can see, the HEPA filter still got a long life left in it after 4 months of constant use, and the carbon filter just now kicked in. The filters are easy to change. It just kind of pops open. The machine itself is not very heavy. You can move it about the house as needed. So overall, I give this product 5 out of 5 stars. Love it.